Happy Throwback Thursday, my cash cow family from Carmel by the Sea, California. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hello, kids. Have you missed me? I've missed you. Excuse me. Guys, in today's video, like the thumbnail stated, I'm going to show you with the assistance from someone else here on YouTube who I have been following for years. Yeah, so what we are going to be talking about today is the video, the print-on-demand Shopify store that I've been saying I'm going to make. Well, I've kind of made it with the assistance of another YouTuber who can explain it a little bit better than you guys. One of the reasons I'm not doing it myself is because Shopify denied my affiliate application, which boggles my mind. So I can't make any money off the video. So I hope you guys understand. So I am going to turn you on to this guy, like I said, that I've been following for quite some time on YouTube. He's got a great channel. And also, guys, not only the Shopify print-on-demand store, I'm doing another cash cow giveaway. And guys, the rules have changed a little bit. Those rules are going to be, I am going to put my cash cow logo, my little cow, somewhere in this video. It's going to pop up. So if you see that, I need you to comment, not actually comment, because that would kind of kill it for everybody else. So don't comment of where this little cow is. You need to send me an email to silentcashcow@gmail.com and just tell me that you watched the video and where you thought you saw the cow and the timestamp, what time you saw that cow pop up. And guys, I'm going to do $100 this time. And I'm also not doing this worldwide. Well, I shouldn't say not worldwide. If you do not have a PayPal account, you cannot enter this contest. I went out of my way and did something for the last winner. And I can't do that, guys. It's not. Anyway, so comment where you saw the cow, the timestamp, send me an email, and then I'm going to let the contest go for at least 24 hours, maybe 36, just to give everybody ample time to join in. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, or you're new here, make sure you have the notification bell turned on. And obviously you have to be subscribed to the channel, and I know if you're not. So and that's kind of it, guys. I haven't been doing much myself. I'm kind of on a creative block. I don't know why. Yeah, it could be I recently met a woman, which is nice. But I've been making money with my with the Real Caddyshack. Obviously affiliate marketing. And again, if you're new to this channel and you've never seen this pretty face, I've been making money online for over 25 years, guys. A lot of it stems from affiliate marketing, e-commerce, blah to the blah to the blah. So anyway, guys, I'll flip it around and introduce you to the guy who is going to show you how to build your print-on-demand Shopify store. So let's get this party started. Did you miss me? Okay, guys. again, um, just real quick, um, uh, before we start, I just want to lay the foundation of why I'm doing this. Um, so about 5 weeks ago, guys, I've been marketing my Real Caddyshack Shopify print-on-demand store, and have seen really good success over the last couple months. Um, I mean, I started the store, I don't know, a year and a half ago or something, but I never did anything with it. Shocking. Um, but it's done well, and I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to create a Shopify print-on-demand store. Um, so I was basically going to show you guys, like, step by step by step, um, on. Hey, there's me. Um, yeah. Well, I can just go to here. Anyway, guys, this is the website, and I started an Instagram account for it. I started this about 2.5, 3 weeks ago, probably 3 weeks ago. I have not launched it yet. It's still not live or anything like that. I'm still adding products, um, but this is what I was going to show you, of how easy this is for you guys to implement yourselves. Um, and that's what I'm going to let a fellow YouTuber show you guys, how to do everything from start to finish, like I was going to show you. Um, I think his video is just over 2 hours long. Um, but I trust this guy. I've been following, like I said, I've been following him for years, him and his brother. Um, I just want you guys to know that you guys can do this, and because if I can do it, you can do it. Um, and while I was switching over to this part of the epic video, we had a sale. We had a sale on the Real Caddyshack, um, for $40. My profit on that is almost $25, actually. Good for me. Um, but, but, um, I'm losing my train of thought. But that's exciting. Because I didn't get any sales yesterday. I mean, I only spent $15 on ads, but anyway, we paid a whopping 25 cents for that conversion that I was just showing you. So it's this campaign right here, 2 clicks. How about that conversion rate? That's pretty damn good, huh? Um, okay, enough of that, guys. So basically, let me take you over to the channel, where you guys are going to be able to learn how to do this. Now, obviously, guys, there's going to be a link in the description to the exact video. So just click on that and watch it to your heart's content. Again, I trust the guy, and I've watched the video myself in its entirety, and I probably couldn't do it any better than he did. He's got a little more experience on YouTube than myself. So his name, guys, is Mike O'Brien, and he's the one on the left here. And then this is his brother Nate, which has he has an amazing channel. They both do. They've been doing affiliate marketing and YouTube and blah to the blah for many years. I think Nate O'Brien has close to 2 million followers, maybe 1.5 million followers. But anyway, guys, both of them are great people to follow. And actually, I'll put a link to Nate O'Brien's channel as well, down below. And also remember, guys, you're looking for that cow for the cash cow giveaway. So, have we seen it yet? I don't know. Um, so let me pull up the video. I kind of stole his thumbnail. I didn't steal it, but you know what I'm saying. So again, guys, we just play.
When building an online store, selling online with your own e-commerce website.
A little bit more detail. Starting off step number 1, and we're going to go through all of this throughout this video. I'll show you exactly what you need to know, how to do this, and I'll actually.
You guys getting all this?
As well, so you can see where to click, what to do, and how to actually have it properly.
Guys, other than that, it is going to be one of my shorter videos, obviously. Just trying to think where I want to go with this. You guys know I always forget what I'm going to say, and then I end the video, and then then I remember. So, yeah. So anyway, as far as the Real Caddyshack goes, that website, that Shopify print-on-demand store, I'm actually thinking about selling it. I don't know. I'm thinking about maybe starting van life soon, living out of a van and just working remotely, being a digital nomad. I mean, not anytime soon, but this would help me, I'd feel better if I had, 10 grand, if I sell the website, 10 or 15 grand, then I could buy the van, and then you guys can travel with me and we'll make money online in every frickin' place in the United States. But anyway, guys, I think I'm going to end it because I just don't know what else to say. I'll show you what my store has made over, we'll just say year to date. Now, again, guys, if you are new here, I'm very transparent. I show you guys everything. So basically, this is just in the last couple months. Like I said, that's when I started marketing it again with Google shopping ads, which are freaking amazing. But we made 12 grand, and you got to figure probably made 40% of that is profit. So what is that? I don't know, 4 or 5 grand profit in a couple months, which is fine. I wasn't trying to do anything crazy with it. So it's just to show you guys that I'm not full of bullshit. So, guys, I'm going to leave it at that. Now, remember, you want to go to silentcashcow@gmail.com. Send me an email and let me know the time where you saw that cow pop up in this video. And like I said, it's going to be $100 cash giveaway. If you don't have a PayPal account, do not try and enter, because it's not going to happen, guys. So, and like I said, I'm going to give it about 24 to 36, 48 hours. And then I will pick the winner. So again, make sure, obviously, that you're subscribed to the channel. And you can comment on the video, but do not comment where you saw the cow, because that'll basically push you out of it. So you can comment all you want, just don't say where the cow was. So anyway, guys, I hope you've all been well. I'm going to try and post more videos. I'm actually running a test on an affiliate marketing product that I'm going to start promoting this morning. So hopefully I'll have a case study for that in the next video, and blah, blah, blah. So hope you guys have all been well again, and get out there and make that moolah, guys. You just got to get in and take action, okay? And like I said, I'll help you guys 100%. Shoot me an email, comment if you have any questions, or if you want my help or advice, what have you. So anyway, I love you all, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.